Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I am going to explain work from home job for freshers, freelancing job, English to Hindi translator, teaching and nursing civil service exam. The textbook will be an product based company. They will teach you cloud and it's just a e-learning platform all over India they are conducting. These are about us and the roles and the responsibility. Translate English content to Hindi. Content would be include questions from various government exam, UPSC, nursing teaching. What we are looking for, very strong command over English to Hindi participle, should be comfortable translating technical term Hindi, comfortable typing both English and Hindi, typing speed would be greater than 40 WPM both languages, prior experience translation open BA plus. So we just want to apply here and the name, last name, email ID, phone number, resume, and the kindly make your exams and submit. What is the job? If you understand means it will be easy. If you not understand means I can explain. No? This is a freelancing job for work from home. It is hardly you can work up to 7 hours from work from home. You just want to told whether you just want to convert the English terms into Hindi terms to the client. Overall, the clients may be student or working experience. The textbook company is a one and full e-learning platform. You can learn many courses from them. There will be certification courses they are providing from textbook company. So it is a product-based company and work from home job. Those who know Hindi, they can easily get a job and easily you can work. You just want to translate Hindi to English, English to Hindi. That's the two things you are going to do. So if you are fluency in Hindi means you can apply now and forward to English students. Those who are waiting for work from home job, they are providing laptop, free Wi-Fi amount and monthly 25 LPA they are providing work from home job. This is a easy opportunity for freshers. And next one will be same freelancing from SCME Hindi. Same it is also to translate English to Hindi with the question paper. Same you just want to apply. And this both freelancing job for Hindi student to English, it will be helpful for them. Just follow to them. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. I'll provide the link in the description. Thanks for watching this channel.